Ayaw ko lang bumaba.
Can I just bring my snorkel just in case I find something?
No, just right here. Don't go to the water.
Can I go in the water?
You want to go to the water? But nobody's gonna... There, oh. So Kuya, oh. There's Kuya, oh. But I'm not gonna be with you there. Oh. I'm gonna go just right here, like that, oh. Just like that. You want?
Ito may buwi.
Oh, sige.
Buwi lane.
Oh, yung pala meron siya, oh. Saglit, ha? Let me get your blue one. And stay here. You sit down first. Sit down first, okay. Yung kanyang ganun daw.
The blue one?
Yeah, the blue one. All this one, my love. Oh, this one, this
I
one.
have seasoning on my hands.
That's seasoning. That's okay, just hold it. Let's see salt. I just want to make.
Wala ang gusto yung bumaba. Hindi mo bumaba. Baka nyo na to.
Oh, okay na. You wear it. That's okay, you wear it. And then you make it tight first. You sit it properly. No, it's not. Hold my phone.
Pasok siya. Press mo lang. Tulak mo lang.
Hold my phone. Then I make it tight. Really tight. So that... There you go. That one get tight. This one didn't get tight. Okay? Yun. That's the tight.
Making me close my left eye.
Huh? You can't see on your left eye. There. Pull it. No.
Okay,
Now
now
it's okay? There. Wait, huh? Make your thing tight, huh?
Kaya wala akong mas.
Hold here. Yeah. Hindi ako bababa. Dito lang ako.
Ayun sir, may buwi pa rin.
Ayan, meron pa. Saan nakatali yan?
Ito eh, tali ko lang dito.
Oo, sige. Diyan lang siya.
Dito lang yun. Tali na. Silip-silip. Para may nahawakan.
Para magtingin lang siya. O, baba ka, anak. Jazz!
Madami na ako sir.
Ito. Ray. Down. Ma'am! Tayo ka mga ito. Ay, Nika! Anak ha? Oh, sit down. Yan. Thank you.
Pag hindi ka bumaba, makita yung ganda na coral.
Jazz ha? Jazz, hawa kami yan, sa vest. Yan, hawa mo sa vest. Ayun yung ano, oh. Wala eh. Diyan na lang kayo.
Come here.
Hold tight.
Bitaw ko sa lubid para hindi ka maano. Bitaw ko sa lubid.
Yan. Hawa kami yung vest niya.
Gamit mo yung mukha mo para makita ko sa ilalim.
Oh, lublob mo yung mukha mo. Yeah, you dive there, like that. Yan. Oops, sorry. Okay ba? Sige, okay. No? You going down? You go. Oh, meron daw ano Diyan, sawa kami yung vest niya, ha? 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 Okay na dito. Okay na siya. Pakitin mo na.
Step up, kuya. Step up, kuya. You sure? Yes.
Yeah.
I'm holding up this.
Jazz, okay ka lang? Baliktad eh. Oh, come here. Look at your hand mo. Give me your hand. There you go. Good job, man. Step. Get up. Thank you, kuya. Oh, get up. Hold on here. How is it? Oh, hold it. Get up, get up, get up. Hold. Hold. Sige. Get up. Get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up.
Tara.
Oh,
Ano siya, sir?
nasting daw.
Ano yan? Ng Planktons. Huwag mo lang kamutin.
Don't.
Planktons yan siya. Kasi by squid season na siya, sir. Plankton. Ano po, kinakain pa rin siya ng turtle.
Josh!
Pa,
Jasper.
opo.
Come on, get up, get up. Stand up. Stand up, stand up here. Go around, go. Turn right here, turn. There. Oh, get up. Get up.
By squid season na po.
Turn.
Pero may sanda kayo. Hawak ka lang, hawak.
Turn. Get up.
Ano lang tayo, sir, kasi squid season.
Go in the middle. Should be in the middle. Yan. Oh.
Paano pa ma-snorkeling yan?
Come here. It's okay. Na-sting daw yung mata niya. Eh, maalat kasi. Maarte naman anak mo eh. Yung kamay niya nun. He said, I have seasoning in my hands. How did you have seasoning in your hand? Salty. Asan na yung phone ko, ma'am? Oh, yeah. Let me take picture. Hindi kaya lang. Naisip ko nga, sana pina-reschedule ko to eh. Para nakasama ka, nakaano ka. Just don't scratch it, they said. Next time, alam na natin. Pagka magkakaroon ka, punta sa ganito, mga reschedule dapat. No, 1 week. You okay? Maganda ba sa ilalim dyan?
50-50.
Okay lang ako.
Mas natin sa island is there.
Kuya mo, tingnan mo Kuya Boy, ito. Makikita yan dito. Nakikita. Hindi, nakakonect yan dito. Saglit ha. So, ayun. Makikita. Yeah. Yes, Kuya Boyet, oh. Aha, naka-bluetooth siya. Galing Kuya. Galing ni Kuya Boyet, ha. Oh. Snorkeling.
Sir, kung laki ka din tayo, makita ka pinguin. Malalaki na tayo.
Dance na tayo.
Maganda yung tural dito.
Ganda itsura. Oo nga eh. Snorkeling. Malalim eh. Malalim ba?
Hindi ka naman lulubog eh.
Oo, dahil dito.
Oo.
Oo.
Snorkeling area kasi yan dito.
May nakikita kayo? Puro corals.
Isda.
May nakita kayo isda? Fish?
Cloudfish ka dyan eh.
Tapos yung coral, bukak. Chocolate hills, yung isa dito. Yung GoPro niya sa bigyan dito.
Parang garden.
Sir, bigyan natin yung ilalim, sir. Ganyan.
Yan, sa
Yan, sir.
ilalim.
Open.
Bigyan natin yung ilalim. Sisit, sabi.
Gusto mo? Saglit. Bigay ko sa'yo, saglit.